Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time I am going to be talking about this recent Chanel price increase. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I have to say about it. If you guys have recently saw one of my videos, you guys saw me unbox this item here that I received, and it is pre-loved. It came from eBay Authenticate, and I actually got a pretty good deal on it, but that is not the reason why I wanted to bring this item up. The reason why I talk about this item is because, so on November 1st, Chanel went through another price increase. And this happens, you know, maybe once a year, sometimes twice a year. It's just ridiculous. And the price increase affected primarily and this is a Chanel Jumbo Double Flap. This one increased from, I believe, $5,900, that's $5,900, to $6,200. So it was a price increase by $300. And the same goes for the medium large, the small. I think they already had the price increase recently for the minis, but the maxi also went up also. All of the classics went up $300. Also the boy bags. The boy bags also went up. But I also wanted to, so I was just Googling, you know, Chanel price increase, and I did find a little diagram showing how fast, or how this bag in particular has been increasing through the years. I'll just leave that right here. I can't find the exact graph right now, but I do have some prices dating all the way back to 2008, and so that was 10 years ago, okay? So 10 years ago, the Chanel Jumbo was $2,650. In 2009, it went up a whopping $25, and so it went up to $2,675. A year later, in 2010, it went up to $2,995, and then in 2011, it skyrocketed to $4,300, and so that is an increase of about, what, $1,300? That's ridiculous. Okay, in 2012, it went up to $4,900. Right, in 2013, it stayed the same, so thank goodness for that. But in 2014, it went up to $5,500. And I know as recently as last year in 2017, I forget when the price increase happened, if it happened in 2016 or 17, but it increased to $5,900, and then starting November 1st of 2018, it went up to $6,200. And so within 10 years, it went up, what, close to $3,600. That's $3,600. That is ridiculous. I also wanted to share a few other things that I saw that had an increase, and this item in particular, so this is the recent phone case that came out, that was just introduced. I think it was even, no, I think it came out last year in the first version of this particular product. It came out, I believe it was $650 at the time it first came out, and then they had an increase to $700, and just recently I saw on the website this is now $800. Ain't that ridiculous? Okay, so another few things on here. Let me just pull up some of my notes so I can share with you guys. Let's see. So this item right here, which is a classic card case, this is the flat card case, it had an increase of $25. So the old price was $400, now it is $425. Alright, so here I have a flap card case, and this is just the single pocket design, you know, the flap card case. The old price was $475. Currently it is $550. Alright. And then finally I have this item right here, which I actually have never used before. It still has the plastic on the CCs. It is the what is this called? The coin purse, for lack of a better. I think that's what they're actually called. But this is the coin purse, and it had an increase. So the old price was $500. It is currently being sold for $600. And so some of these items, I mean, the price point alone for this one with an increase of $100, that is just ridiculous. And that just goes to show you how crazy some people are. And I mean, everybody is crazy who is buying luxury goods, because we all don't need these things, but we just want them, and you know, things that we want usually come with the price tag. I personally think that I will reduce my consumption from, you know, these brands like Chanel and Louis Vuitton, because both of these brands are continuing to increase their prices, but their quality, I have to say, has not really changed. If anything, it has been going down. And with just that, I think I will continue to, and that's why I brought this guy in here. I am going to continue to purchase items on the pre-loved market, and it is really hard to go pre-loved, especially when you know, you purchase things from other people, or you purchase from eBay especially, because you don't know who the sellers are usually, and you could be dealing with someone that is, you know, a phony or a fake that are selling fake items. Now, I did purchase this from eBay Authenticate, and so they guarantee authenticity. And so, yeah, as far as selling my items, and this is one of the good things to come with price increases, is that, you know, your items that you buy before a price increase, like I bought this one, will be able to get you more money if you decide to sell them later on. I know when I have sold pieces before, it is usually hard to get, you know, a good price, especially for things that aren't really in demand. But for things like, you know, a Chanel Jumbo, especially in this color, this particular color was a very sought after color. And so is the, what do you call it? The rose gold color that came in the chevron pattern. And what else was a hot color? Like the So Black colorways, those types of bags will definitely, you know, get high resale value. But bags such as, I mean, I don't know if this one is considered a hot color, but I like it, and I think there is a current color that is very similar to this one that just is released in the Chanel Cruise 2018 that a lot of people are going crazy after. But, you know, some wacky colors like neon green or orange, those particular bags probably won't fetch a high resale value. So you just have to, you know, be careful with what you purchase. You have to think about, you know, future resale value and all that kind of stuff. That is if you think you are going to eventually sell these items. But if you are going to keep these items in your collection forever, you know, good for you. And yeah, you guys, I guess you don't have to really worry about that. But for the rest of us, I am totally going on a tangent right now. I'm like kind of tired. I haven't been doing videos lately, but yeah, I guess I'll just leave it at that. I just wanted to tell you guys some of my thoughts about this recent price increase, which includes, you know, the bad, which is of course if you're going to buy, you know, brand new in the store, and the good as far as trying to sell your items on the pre-loved market. And then also the bad, which is, you know, some people have to go to the more so towards the pre-loved resale market. And yeah, so if you have any comments or anything like that, please leave them down below. I'd love to hear your comments, and I do read them, so, and I do apologize if I don't always reply. So that does it for this video. Hope you liked it, and be sure to stay tuned for more videos. Until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.